By Allah, Allah saying, all times like today billions being, during the gathering it's really for their pleasing. When it comes rise of rights defending and thinking, obviously they are diverting and heartless living. Not even thinking what things real God and what have been creating. All the years is proving as they are like family buildings. Protecting, gathering, helping, enriching, to achieve, intervening as your parents doing. When you do for your loved friends and being, who can say God is sorrow and killing? Like you are educating their life divine and create giving. When underfooted rights of all one, sadness is rights of everyone, comes to God, an angel's soul and sadness is their rightly goodness, including tears, for loosed victimized, because life is for just times and highest matters. They are reflected to also as your oxygen and breath matter, so soul senses. Human being in all place of world and living never will like goodness the only thing, because they are also human being like by whom has been created as being. So all gods and their angels and humans, like all beings, are protecting the world, nature and all living meanings of all and good and human are not, oh, wow, sorrow and killing building, killing each other for human and gods and prophets being its our own and their killers and killing. We are not anti-human and heaven, being as each life is determined as life being. Not at all ever, neither Big Bang being, either the only territory being. Being is benediction that already since birth gives as life giving. Be at least with your education and soul of your birth given to divine your goodness like side being.